Hi everyone, this is Ashish Dhyani. Welcome to InfosecTrain, and today we are going to talk about a very well-known protocol which is LLMNR. LLMNR stands for Linked Local Multicast Name Resolution, and it is a protocol which is used in place of DNS for local name resolution. It's a non-routable protocol, but it is used whenever there are devices who wants to communicate and find out the location of shared devices or shared services. So let's say there is a device and the device A wants to find out some information, and that device A wants to, let's say, find out information about a shared drive, and that shared drive is assumed that it's ABC. So that request device A will be sending to the DNS server, and it will be asking that, hey DNS, do you know where is ABC shared drive? Now DNS will look into the whole network and will find out that no, there is no shared drive with the name ABC. So then the device A will be sending a multicast to port number 5535 to all the devices in the network to find out where the shared drive is. And that's how the protocol LLMNR works. Thank you.